A little harder for them to get a good latch on. Might have the feet from the sides of the beak. I'll try to get them to latch. Oh, there, almost. There we go. Oh yeah, that's good. He likes that. Eats pretty quickly until he's already got a half full crop. This is the age that I usually like to prefer to pull for hand feeding, maybe a few days before this, just as their eyes begin to open. It all depends on the parents of the bird. So I know some parents might not be as attentive. Ooh, he is done. So I know some parents might not be as attentive. I will pull them quite a bit earlier.